and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to apply a credit memo to an invoice in Netsuite. This process will help reduce the amount a customer owes you by applying the credit toward their outstanding invoices. So first log into Netsuite, and to apply a credit memo to an invoice, we're going to start by navigating to the credit memo section. So in the top menu, go to transactions, then customers, then issue credit memos, then list. Here you will see all your existing credit memos. From the credit memo you want to apply to an invoice and click edit next to it. Now under the items sub tab you will see an option called auto apply. If you want NetSuite to automatically apply this credit to your oldest open invoices or cash sales, simply check the box next to auto apply. Next click apply sub tab. This is where you will manually select the invoices or cash sales to which you want to apply the credit, and then you will see a list of open invoices or cash sales. Check the box next to the invoices or sales you want the credit applied to. Now if you are missing multiple using multiple currencies, only invoices or cash sales in the same currency as the credit memo will appear. Once you have selected the invoices, click save to apply the credit memo. This reduces the balance due on those invoices accordingly. And another way to apply credit memo is directly during a customer payment. Let's quickly go over how you can do that. So first head to transaction, customers, accept customer payments, then list, then find the customer payment you want to apply the credit to, then click edit. Or if you need to create a new payment, create new transaction. Once you are on the customer payment page, um, go to apply subtab and then click credit subtab. And that's it. Here you will see all your available credit memos for this customer. Check the box next to each credit memo you want to apply. If you want to apply all available credits, simply mark all. And you will also see the invoices associated with the payments under the invoices subtab. Just adjust as needed and click save. And that's how you apply a credit memo to an invoice in NetSuite.